Welcome to Burlington's Hill section, where classic charm meets everyday convenience on a sun-filled corner lot. This sweet three-bedroom ranch offers easy one-level living with warm hardwood floors and large windows that fill the space with natural light. The kitchen has been beautifully remodeled with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, maple cabinetry, and a natural brick accent wall with pot racks for a touch of rustic flair. The main level features a renovated three-quarter bath, while downstairs, a spa-like soaking tub awaits in the lower-level bathroom. The partially finished basement adds bonus living space, complete with a cozy gas fireplace and projection setup for movie nights. Step outside to enjoy a fenced backyard with mature landscaping, raised garden beds, a stone wall, and a private patio, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Best of all, the land to the north is protected from development, ensuring lasting privacy. Located in Burlington's vibrant South End, you're minutes from UVM, the medical center, Oak Ledge Park, the farmers market, and some of the city's best restaurants. Don't miss this opportunity to call it home.